What's up everyone, it's Lex with OMTech. Today we're going into what every Polar owner needs to know. All of the problems and issues that arise with these and how to fix them. Let's get into it. Sometimes if you notice that the probe doesn't engage properly, this is usually because of a loose wire or just needs a simple alignment check. A quick reseat or adjustment usually clears it up. If you notice your Z-axis is grinding, it could be a limit switch or debris. Clean it up and make sure it's lubricated. One thing that we see pretty common is that after using the rotary attachment in the Polar, a lot of people forget to switch the rotary switch from rotary to standard. The switch is right here. Once you're done using the rotary device and it's unplugged and out of the machine, make sure to hit this back to standard or your Y-axis won't work at all. Another common issue that we see pretty often is the origin settings. So when you set up your Polar, the origin is always going to be in the top right of your machine. If you don't set this correctly in LightBurn, then your machine is gonna mirror image everything thinking that the origin is on the opposite side. The Polar comes equipped with a built-in chiller, so you normally won't have any kind of alarm or issues with that. You will want to make sure that it's at the top level of where it needs to be to make sure everything is working correctly. If your laser isn't firing, it could be because your water level isn't sufficient enough to go through the sensor. Some of the issues aren't just machine problems though, they can be user errors. No air assist on, you're gonna have a fire hazard. Got a dirty lens, probably gonna have a weak beam. Bent honeycomb tray from moving it and handling it, probably gonna get wobbly cuts. Just do your weekly maintenance and make sure your machine is on top of it. So there you have it, the most common issues with the Polar and how to address them. If you have any other issues that you would like us to address, make sure to leave a comment down below. And also make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for all of the upcoming laser content.